Dessert sauce. Countless possibilities and combinations. Here are 3. First up is, if not the best, the most universal, the caramel rum sauce. Pan over medium heat, dump in our sugar. When the edges liquefy and start to turn brown, start moving the edges towards the center. When the sugar is mostly dissolved, add in the butter. Mix in well. After the butter is completely melted, let it cook for a few more minutes longer, occasionally stirring. Take the pan off the heat and slowly start mixing in the cream. Don't worry if the sugar clumps. We are putting it back on the heat to dissolve. Take our yolks and give it a whisk in a bowl large enough to hold the caramel. After everything in our pan is incorporated, take back off the heat and give it a good stir for about a minute to help cool it a bit. Now we temper our eggs, continuously whisking. Add in the sauce a little at a time. Something like 2 tablespoons, then mix well. Do this a few times, then bump it up to 4 tablespoons of mixing well a few times, and so on. When you have incorporated a half to 3/4 of the sauce, it's safe to dump in the rest. Transfer the mix back into the pan, add in our vanilla and 2 tablespoons of rum, and return to the heat. Stir until it starts to come to a boil. Immediately take it off the heat. Stir in 1 tablespoon more of rum. Margarita sauce. We lower the sugar amount by 4 tablespoons and add 2 tablespoons of agave nectar and the peels of lime, lemon, and a little bit of orange. I don't want a caramel base for this, so the method is different in comparison to our rum sauce. Dump in our cream and butter. First, add in our agave and sugar, our fruit zest, about equal amounts of lemon and lime, personal preference, and a little bit of orange. A little pith will be spiffy here. It gives us some bitters. Place over medium heat. When the sugar is dissolved, add 2 tablespoons of your desired margarita mix. Bring back to a simmer. After tasting, I felt like it needed some more salt than what the salted butter gave us. Now we temper our eggs, continuously whisking the yolk. Add in the sauce a little at a time. Discard the zest. Add in 2 tablespoons of tequila. Bring back to a simmer, occasionally stirring. Then take off the heat. Then stir in our bonus 1 tablespoon of tequila. Pairs well with dishes that have heavy notes of orange and lemon. Old-fashioned sauce. Switch the sugar to be brown sugar. Also going to add some honey, a good amount of orange peel, with a little bit of lemon peel. Whiskey of the rye variety. Technique is similar to the rum sauce. Pan over medium heat. Dump in our sugar. When the edge liquefies, pull edges to the center until sugar is dissolved. Add in the butter, bring to a simmer, add in the cream, then get zesty, stir and simmer for about a good 5+ minutes, allowing the zest to bloom. Stir in the honey, temper your yolks, then add in the vanilla and 2 tablespoons of whiskey. Bring back to a simmer, continuously stirring, take off the heat, and we add our bonus whiskey. I feel this is best with nutty or chocolate dishes, also with my favorite, apple dishes. Best served warm. The caramelized sauces still have a good texture even when cold. At the time of shooting this, I still feel like the rum sauce is the most universal and is the best overall. I plan on coming back here and posting either in the description or in the comments as I experiment with other possibilities. The next few I want to play with is a peanut butter sauce, banana and caramel, and maybe a pina colada sauce. Please feel free to comment with your opinions or what you have tried, or even hypothetical recipes. Thanks and hope to see you soon.